Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of bánh mì, a super yummy Vietnamese sandwich. It's like the ultimate street food in Vietnam. Picture this, a crispy baguette filled with tasty meats, tangy pickled veggies, and fresh herbs. Bánh mì is more than just a sandwich though, it's a mix of Vietnamese and French cooking, showing a cool part of Vietnam's history. It's like a symbol of how creative Vietnamese food can be. People of all ages in Vietnam love it. It's a quick and easy meal, perfect for a snack or a light lunch. Get ready for a flavor explosion. So, French colonialism had a big impact on Vietnamese food. One of the biggest changes? The baguette. The French brought their bread-making skills to Vietnam, and that's how the Vietnamese baguette was born, super important for bánh mì. The Vietnamese baguette is a little different though. It's lighter and airier because it uses rice flour. So it's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Yum! French cooking also changed how Vietnamese people cook, adding new ingredients like butter, mayonnaise and pâté, which you still see in some bánh mì today. What makes a bánh mì awesome? The ingredients. Each one is important for that perfect mix of flavors. You start with a fresh, crispy baguette. Then you add the fillings. Grilled pork is a favorite. It's marinated in sweet and savory flavors. Pickled carrots and daikon radish give it a nice crunch and tang. Fresh herbs like cilantro and sometimes Thai basil add a bright, fresh taste. Mayonnaise makes it creamy, and a little chili sauce adds a spicy kick. The filling is the heart of a bánh mì. Grilled pork is classic, but there are tons of options. Usually it's pork marinated for hours in a mix of savory, sweet, and tangy stuff like fish sauce, soy sauce, sugar, and lemongrass. Then it's grilled until it's perfect, a little smoky and charred on the outside, but tender and juicy on the inside. Section 5, The Art of Pickling, a step-by-step guide. Pickled veggies are key for a good bánh mì. They add that yummy crunch and tang. Usually it's carrots and daikon radish, sliced super thin. You mix them with sugar and salt to get rid of extra water. Then they soak in a mix of vinegar, sugar, and water for at least 30 minutes. This makes them soft and tangy. Section 6. Assembling your masterpiece. Building the bánh mì. Once everything's ready, making your bánh mì is easy. Slice the baguette lengthwise, but not all the way through. Spread a little mayonnaise on both sides. This makes it creamy and keeps the bread from getting soggy. Add your fillings protein first, then pickled veggies, fresh herbs, and chili sauce if you like it spicy. Press down gently, and your bánh mì is ready to eat. Section 7, A World of Flavors, Bánh mì Variations. The classic bánh mì is amazing, but there are so many other kinds. Try grilled chicken, lemongrass beef, or even tofu. Vegetarian bánh mì often has marinated tofu or mushrooms. Different places in Vietnam have their own special versions too. Some add pâté, some add cold cuts, it's all delicious. Section 8, Tips and Tricks for the Home Cook. Making bánh mì at home is easier than you think. Here are some tips. Toast your baguette for extra crispiness. Don't put too much filling in, it'll be hard to eat. Make some things ahead of time like the pickled veggies and the meat. And don't be afraid to try new things. Make your own special bánh mì. Section 9. Conclusion. A taste of Vietnam in every bite. Bánh mì is more than a sandwich, it's a taste of Vietnam. The crispy bread, tasty fillings, and refreshing veggies make it a flavor explosion. Whether you've had bánh mì before or it's your first time, I hope you try it. Get your ingredients, put on your apron, and get ready for a delicious trip to Vietnam, one bite at a time.